In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Apple account to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you various ways to add an Apple account to a MacBook. Regardless of the model, the steps should be the same, and you will be able to manage the Apple account attributed to that device. So the main way is going to be during the initial setup process. So regardless of the MacBook model that you have, if you are setting up your MacBook for the first time, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. So all that you would have to do is input your Apple ID and password. If you already have one from using any other iOS device, they should be valid and you will be able to log into the same account to see all of your other interactions and transfer over any contacts and information attributed to your account. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions during the initial setup process. Alternatively, if the MacBook was already set up or you skip attributing an Apple ID or an Apple account, don't worry. After the initial setup process, you just have to open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and choose System Preferences. In there, you will be able to click on Apple ID and then choose the plus button. Now, once again, you will be able to enter your Apple ID and password. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions, and of course, if you don't have an Apple account, you will be instructed on how to create one. It is incredibly simple, and once the account has been attributed to that device, you will now be able to share contacts, information, synchronize everything, emails, and so on between all of the Apple devices and ecosystem. Everything will be usable, and you can use this account as many times as you wish. By signing in once, it should stay automatically signed, so you don't have to worry. If you ever switch devices, just sign in again and you will be good to go. And of course, you can log out if you have any problems or you would like to sign out for whatever reason. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Apple account to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.